Section 3.1, example 7, finding the volume of revolution. So find the volume of the solid obtained by revolving the region bounded by the graph of f of x is equal to x to the negative x. The x-axis, the y-axis, and the line x equals 1 about the x-axis. So it looks like here we're going to use shell method. And it looks like we're integrating from the y-axis up to 1. So we're x equals 0 to x equals 1. And we're integrating this line here bounded by the x-axis. So we have like our function. Let's just say it's an arbitrary function from here to here. This is a region that we're revolving around the y-axis. So best method to use for this is going to be our shell method. And our shell method is integrating from a to b, 2 pi times x times f of x dx. And there we go there. So we have the integral. Again, the integral from 0 to 1. And our formula says 2 pi x times f of x, which in this case is going to be e to the negative x dx. Ooh, and look, now we could actually solve this one. I know before we weren't able to solve it. So we have 2 pi x e to the negative x. Here, we could do integration by parts. So let u equal x, dv equal to e to the negative x dx. So differentiate, du is equal to dx, integrate, v is equal to negative e to the negative x, no ds. So let's factor out that 2 pi. We're integrating from 0 to 1. And we have x times e to the negative x dx. That's going to be equal to 2 pi times uv, so negative x times e to the negative x, minus the integral of v du, negative e to the negative x dx, which we can make this positive. And there we go. We could keep going. 2 pi times negative x e to the negative x. And the integral is going to be negative e to the x. Evaluate it from 0 to 1. 2 pi times, let's evaluate out 1 first. So we have negative 1. Yeah, negative 1 e to the negative 1 minus e to the, that should be negative 1 minus 0 times e to the 0 minus e to the 0. So this is going to be equal to 2 pi negative e, so that looks like negative 2 e to the negative 1, and then plus 1. Yep, looks good there. And just multiplying everything through, we have negative 4 pi e to the negative 1, we could say over e plus 2 pi. A little ugly, but I think we got it. There we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.